Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hey students. Today I will provide you with the complete lecture to the topic domain and range for trigonometric functions. Completely deep lecture will be provided by this video. In previous video I had already provided you the lecture of domain and range, and it was the only overview to domain and range. But now I decided to give you the complete lecture overview to the trigonometric functions, domain and range, and what is a domain and what is a range. Trigonometric functions are, as we know that, six functions there are: cot theta, secant theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta. And in these functions, sin theta and cos theta has its reciprocals, cosecant theta and secant theta respectively. And tan theta or tangent theta has its opposite, its reciprocal as cot theta. Okay, cot tangent theta. Now we will discuss about their domains and range. How can we will find out their domains and ranges? Okay, let's start. First of all, I am considering a circle in a quadrant. If you focus on it, this is a circle with y and x axis, x prime and y prime for negative axis. 0 is the midpoint, y is the arc length parallel to the y. Similarly, we are made an angle theta. Theta may be something, but generally we call it theta. Okay. Px of y is any point outside the tangent, and A10 is the point on the x side, B is the point 0 minus 1, okay, and D is 0 minus 1. Why 0 and minus 1? Minus 1 for the y prime value, because minus 1 is the lower side. And why we use the value minus 1 and minus 1? Because we had considered unit circle. Unit circle is a circle which has everything about one radian, one theta, one side, one length, one base, one perpendicular. Okay, one is the measurement, it may be meter, centimeter, but accordingly unit length. Okay. Now for a circle with center at origin O, and if Pxy is any point on the circle, any angle forming on the circle XOP is the general name. You can use different names according to you. The position for angle is standard. Then we know that when we use standard things, for the standard things according to the Pythagoras theorem, you know that Pythagoras theorem says that the horizontal lines make angle with the cos and the vertical lines makes angle with the sine. Okay, for any real number theta, there is a one and only one value for each x and y, that is cos theta and sin theta. Thus cos theta and sin theta are the functions whose domain is a, this sign is used for the real number, set of real number. We can give any domain, any value to cos theta, sin theta, because there is no effect to the cos theta and sin theta on any value. Okay. Range for that function, since the range is point on unit circle Px of y. If there is a domain x and y, then we can say that the range is also in the point x and y. This is not different. Okay, this is a not in infinite with center or at the origin o minus 1 is less than equal to x less than equal to 1, and similarly same as, but there is a difference only of y, the variable. Why we call that minus 1 to 1? Because minus 1 to 1 are the values in which in between there is the ranges of answer sine theta and cos theta we have. If we put anything for x and for y, we get the sine or cos, and I write vertically x for cos and sine for y. Okay, don't confuse it. I am writing just because to confuse you and just because of your mental math. Okay, you just pause the video and correct me. So there is the values of answers are ranges, you know, that are in between minus 1 and 1. Okay, domain and ranges for tangent, cotangent functions. Tangent for tan, don't confuse over it, and cotangents are cot. I already made a circle with the same contributions as I studied before. Okay, don't confuse it. I just draw it to be able you to don't confuse and don't be underestimated. Okay, we know that tan of theta is equals to y over x by Pythagoras theorem. Some people have curly brown hairs through proper brushing. You know that. If you don't know that, then go to my channel and watch the video according to Pythagoras theorem. I had uploaded 3 to 5 videos according to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and statement says that x is not be 0 for any condition, for any time. We must be avoided by this condition. And terminal side OP. Where is the OP? OP is that line I can mark you. OP is never terminate to that one OY. When it is a OY, then it has an angle pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 by 2 and so on. Or in general, you can talk in general also. Theta cannot be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. It means that pi by 2 to plus minus 3 pi by 2 and so on. We can in short write it as it is. Okay, and down the board you can see work. Okay, it's not a included in work, don't confuse it. Okay, the range for the tangent function is a set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers is used by this symbol r, and r is double lined. Okay, remember it in your mind. But when we provide the proper domain, theta is not equal to 2n plus 1, but set of all real numbers is domain, except you can write it as except. You can use the most simple values by yourself, where n is an element of whole number, z is used for whole numbers. Okay, then there is a range of set of all real numbers. Similarly, the same case for the cot theta. The tan theta and cot theta are of same family. There are reciprocals of each other. Okay, cot theta is also equals to 1 over tan theta. You know that. If you don't know, then go to my channel and watch the trigonometric functions video and that more. Cot theta is equals to x over y, where y is not equals to 0. Terminal side OP never touches, should touch. If there is OP there and x is it never terminate to OX because it's avoid to make angle pi 180 degree or more like 180 degrees multiple. Main focus to avoid 0, 180 degree and zeros and pi's multiples. Okay. Theta should not be equal to 0, pi minus plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi. Or in short, you can say it theta is not equal to n pi. Okay, pi will be any multiple for n. There should be not be apologized. Where n is a whole number, z is a use for whole numbers. Okay. Domain for cotangent function is thus we can say that set of a real number. This symbol is for a set of for real numbers and except this hash line is used as except the x is x not equal to n pi. Okay, you can also write it as except or math is used to simplify anything. Thus we can use hash and x is the element for. This line is used as x and where x is not element of n and pi. Okay. Range of cotangent function or cot function is thus we can say that set of real numbers. Okay. All set of real numbers are given when domain is given as set of all real numbers except multiple of any pi. Pi is a 180 degree, you know that. Now check the domain range of secant function and cosecant function. These functions are familiar to you by cos and sine. Cos reciprocal is secant and sine reciprocal is cosecant. I fumble the word. Right? 1 by cos is equals to secant and 1 over sine. Angle may be different. Okay, theta you can use. And 1 over sine theta is equal to cosecant. Okay. If they are reciprocal to cos, you know that cos is equals to cos theta is equals to x. Remember from my start video where I tell you that one. Say it equation 1 and say it equation 2. From that value you can put secant theta is equals to 1 over x where x is not equal to 0 and cos theta where is equals to 1 over y where y is not equal to 0 from any condition, because if x or y is 0 then the whole trigonometric function goes to infinite condition and we when 1 over 0 is an infinite condition and we have to avoid the infinite condition. Terminal side should not be coincide to OY. If there is a function of x, then don't coincide with the OY to make pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 and so on. You can also call it 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n is the element of whole numbers. Okay. Domain of secant functions is a set of all real numbers 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay. Range of secant functions is a real number except -1 and 1. Its range is except of these numbers. For any condition, the range is not in between -1 and 1. It is a greater or smaller of these values. Okay. Now check the cosecant theta. I will zoom it. Cosecant theta is equals to 1 over y, where we call that y should not be equal to 0. Terminal side on this way we can say it OX should not be terminate. Okay. That's why we call theta should not be equal to 0, pi plus 2 pi and their positive and negative values are also plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi and so on. And in short, you can say that multiple of any pi or n pi, where n is a member of whole number. Domain of cosecant is set of real numbers. X is an element of n pi. Range of a cosecant theta is a set of real numbers except -1 to 1. There are no values come in the answers in the ranges. That's why secant theta and cosecant theta have same ranges, and tan theta, cot theta similarly have a ranges in their line. Today we had studied about domain and range of trigonometric functions completely. We get the overview. In short, I already give you the overview. If you get my video and you have a knowledge after watching my video, then subscribe my channel, give me feedback. If there is any mistake you feel in my video, then correct it after giving me a feedback. Your feedbacks are really helpful for me. Okay, hope you get it. Thanks for watching.